the heart of contemporary architecture, concrete calm represents more than just a design movement, it's a lifestyle philosophy. This aesthetic captures serenity through structure, transforming hard materials like concrete into a canvas for tranquility. Today, we explore how modern minimalist homes use indoor courtyards to balance nature and geometry, warmth and stillness. Minimalism has evolved beyond its clean lines and neutral palettes. In modern living, it becomes a mindful pursuit, an intentional decluttering of both space and spirit. Architects are increasingly embracing simplicity not as emptiness, but as an opportunity to highlight light, texture, and connection with nature through fluid, open spaces. Concrete, once associated with industrial coldness, now takes center stage as a versatile and expressive material. Its tactile depth, matte finish, and structural honesty create a poetic contrast with soft natural elements. In minimalist homes, concrete walls, floors, and surfaces form the foundation for visual stillness and architectural poetry. Indoor courtyards serve as the living heart of minimalist architecture. They invite daylight deep into the home, create cross-ventilation, and provide a calm visual anchor. More importantly, they blur boundaries between inside and out, allowing residents to live in a constant dialogue with nature while maintaining privacy and peace. A courtyard's greenery transforms concrete spaces into emotional sanctuaries. The rustling of leaves, reflections of sunlight, and sound of water elements all soothe the senses. This biophilic connection nurtures mindfulness and emotional balance, turning minimalist homes into living ecosystems of calm and contemplation. In modern minimalist layouts, transitions between rooms feel seamless. Courtyards often sit at the center, visible from multiple angles, guiding movement naturally. Glass partitions, sliding doors, and skylights create visual continuity. The result is a living experience where the home breathes with the rhythm of light and air. Light defines the mood of minimalist architecture. Through courtyards, sunlight shifts across the concrete surfaces throughout the day, soft in the morning, golden at dusk. These changing tones bring life to the static material, creating an ever-evolving artwork that energizes and soothes simultaneously. To prevent concrete interiors from feeling austere, designers pair it with wood, linen, and soft greenery. This interplay of hard and soft textures creates emotional warmth without sacrificing minimalism. Think smooth gray floors complemented by timber furniture, linen drapes, and a touch of green in the courtyard center. Each courtyard becomes a sculptural focal point, carefully curated with plants, rocks, and water features. The minimalist approach emphasizes negative space, where even a single tree can hold deep visual impact. It's about restraint, creating beauty not from abundance, but from thoughtful absence. Concrete calm draws inspiration from Japanese Zen philosophy, which celebrates imperfection and stillness. Courtyards mirror this spiritual simplicity through asymmetrical balance and organic forms. In a world of noise and speed, these spaces offer a quiet retreat for meditation, reflection, and slow living. Beyond aesthetics, courtyards improve the home's microclimate. They regulate temperature, enhance air circulation, and reduce energy use. Architects integrate them as sustainable design tools, proving that beauty and practicality can coexist seamlessly in modern minimalist architecture. Water ponds or reflective surfaces often feature in these courtyards, mirroring the sky and the concrete walls. This subtle play of reflection expands space visually and symbolically, reminding us of stillness, perspective, and the beauty of seeing the world from multiple angles. Minimalist furniture selections in these homes are intentional and timeless. Low-profile seating, simple wood tables, and sculptural lighting pieces echo the calm rhythm of the architecture. Each object has space to breathe, and every placement feels deliberate, enhancing, not overwhelming, the natural flow. Art in concrete calm spaces is never an afterthought. Sculptures, ceramics, or subtle wall textures often merge with architectural lines. Courtyards become living galleries, where shadow and sunlight perform their daily dance, turning the home into an evolving art installation of nature and design. Minimalist design emphasizes not just what you see, but what you hear, or don't hear. The soft echo of footsteps on concrete, the trickle of courtyard water, and the rustle of bamboo leaves form a sensory harmony that grounds residents in the present moment. success of a minimalist courtyard home lies in its invisible boundaries. Open corridors, frameless windows, and light-filled patios make it difficult to distinguish interior from exterior. It's a living dialogue, where nature is not framed by architecture, but embraced as part of it. Minimalist spaces with courtyards influence mental well-being profoundly. The reduction of visual noise helps clear the mind, while natural light and greenery lower stress levels. In essence, these homes offer an architectural form of mindfulness, encouraging slower living, deep breathing, and conscious presence. Concrete calm also speaks to sustainability. Minimalism reduces waste, while courtyards promote passive cooling and natural ventilation. The use of durable materials like concrete ensures longevity, creating homes that age gracefully while minimizing environmental impact, a harmony of design and responsibility. In today's fast-paced urban world, people crave spaces that restore rather than exhaust. Concrete calm fulfills this need by grounding modern life in natural simplicity. These homes are not cold, they are meditative sanctuaries, proof that modern design can be both raw and deeply human. Concrete calm isn't just about architecture, it's a statement of intentional living. By blending indoor courtyards with minimalist design, we learn the art of balance between nature and structure, silence and texture, presence and purpose. In this harmony, we find what modern life often forgets: peace within the concrete.